way through.
Marc Marquez could not be more motivated after what happened here yesterday. Rossi did not get away too well. He's got work to do already. We're going into turn 9 here. Miller it is that leads. Maverick Vinales sees a gap.
Field here, Marc Marquez. Vinales has got the inside line on Jack Miller through turn number 11. So Vinales now hits the fender.
Rossi's on the move. He's made a couple of decent moves. Fabio Quartararo is really struggling now. He's dropped down 2 places.
That's Jack Miller. And in one lap, Marc Marquez has gone from 11 to 2nd.
Onto the